You searched how to buy shares of Abu Dhabi National Oil Company for Distribution PJSC, and this video will show the practical steps. The company distributes fuel and retail petroleum products and trades on ADX under the ticker ADNOCDIS.DH. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and here we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with a government ID and then add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ADNOCDIS.DH to find the listing. Make sure you select the ADX listing that matches the company name and ticker. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart for ADNOCDIS.DH. Confirm the company name, ticker, and exchange to be sure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and submit to confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your ADNOCDIS.DH position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.